Did you know that the plastic objects you use every day, from your toothbrush to your car's dashboard, owe their existence to a manufacturing marvel called injection molding? This process is not just a factory trick. It is a game changer that shapes the modern world in ways you might not expect. Stick around to uncover the surprising facts about injection molding that will make you see everyday objects in a whole new light. Welcome back to Objectified, the channel where we dive deep into the stories behind the things we take for granted. Today, we are exploring injection molding, a process that sounds technical but is secretly fascinating. From its quirky origins to its mind-blowing innovations, this method has transformed how we create everything from toys to medical devices. By the end of this video, you will understand why injection molding is one of the unsung heroes of modern manufacturing. Let's jump in. Injection molding's story begins in the 19th century, and it all started with, of all things, billiard balls. Back then, billiard balls were made from ivory, which came from elephant tusks. This was not only unsustainable, but also devastating to elephant populations. In the 1860s, billiards manufacturer offered a $10,000 prize equivalent to about $3 million today for anyone who could create a synthetic alternative. Enter John Wesley Hyatt, an American inventor. Hyatt experimented with celluloid, an early plastic, and in 1872, he patented a machine that could mold this material into solid shapes. This was the birth of injection molding. His machine worked by heating plastic and forcing it into a mold, much like a baker piping dough into a cake tin. While rudimentary, this invention laid the groundwork for a manufacturing revolution. Fast forward to the 20th century, and injection molding evolved into a powerhouse. The 1930s saw the introduction of thermoplastics, which could be melted and reshaped repeatedly, unlike earlier materials that hardened permanently. This breakthrough made injection molding faster, cheaper, and more versatile. By the 1940s, World War II supercharged the demand for mass-produced plastic parts, from gun handles to medical syringes. Injection molding machines became more sophisticated, with precise controls for temperature and pressure. The 1970s brought computer automation, allowing for pinpoint accuracy and complex designs. Today, injection molding is a high-tech marvel. Modern machines use robotics, AI, and advanced materials like biodegradable plastics. Some can even produce parts with embedded electronics in a single step. The process is so precise that it is used to make intricate components for heart valves and spacecraft. Injection molding is not just about making things. It is about shaping culture. Think about the Lego brick, one of the most iconic injection molded objects. Each brick is crafted with such precision that any two bricks made decades apart will snap together perfectly. This consistency helped Lego become a global phenomenon, sparking creativity in millions of homes. Beyond toys, injection molding democratized access to goods. In the 1950s, affordable plastic products like Tupperware transformed kitchens worldwide. Medical devices like disposable syringes made healthcare safer and more accessible. Even the smartphone in your pocket relies on injection molded parts for its sleek design and durability. This process also reflects our society's values. As sustainability becomes a priority, injection molding is adapting. Companies now use recycled plastics and develop molds that reduce waste. It is a testament to how innovation can align with environmental responsibility. Let's get to the juicy stuff, the surprising facts about injection molding. First, did you know that injection molding is insanely fast? A single machine can produce thousands of parts per hour, with some molds creating a part every few seconds. That is why your plastic water bottle is so cheap. Second, the molds themselves are engineering masterpieces. Made from hardened steel, a single mold can cost anywhere from $2,000 to over $100,000, depending on complexity. Some are so large they can mold an entire plastic lawn chair in one shot. Third, injection molding leaves secret marks on every product. Look closely at any plastic item and you will find tiny circles or lines. These are ejector pin marks or gate marks, where the plastic entered the mold or was pushed out. They are like the fingerprints of the manufacturing process. Fourth, this process is not just for plastics. Metal injection molding is used to create tiny, intricate parts for watches, jewelry, and even surgical tools. It combines the precision of molding with the strength of metal. Finally, injection molding has a quirky side. Some factories use it to create edible products like chocolate molds or gummy candies. The same principles that shape a car bumper can also shape your favorite sweets. Injection molding is more than a manufacturing process. It is a cornerstone of modern life. From its humble beginnings with billiard balls to its role in creating everything from Lego bricks to life-saving medical devices. This technology has shaped the world in ways we rarely notice. Its ability to evolve with the times embracing automation. Sustainability and new materials ensures it will remain vital for decades to come. Next time you pick up a plastic object, take a moment to appreciate the ingenuity behind it. If you enjoyed this deep dive into injection molding, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who loves learning about how things are made. Subscribe to Objectified for more stories about the objects that shape our world. And hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. That is all for today's episode of Objectified. Let us know in the comments what everyday object you want us to explore next. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.